Ndewonu onye ọbụla lata. Miss, if you guys see the day, how is your day going? Kedu ka ụbọchị unu si aga? How is your day going? For the new ones, aha m bụ Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. Anyị nwere tata ihe a na-akpọ basic Igbo words, like some of the things you're supposed to know in Igbo language, simple words, everyday words that you use in your house. So we're going to go over all of them, and I'm expecting every one of you to know them. Know all these words, because you have homework to do, okay, with these words. I need you to do that. Okay, now the basic Igbo words that I'm talking about, just learn them, please. I want you to know all of them. Know all below and punctuate them. So your job is to study them once we go over today, okay? Study all the words, know the words, try to punctuate them. So I left it like that because I want you to learn to put dot where it's supposed to be. You need to learn. So practice it and send it to me. You don't get it, I will correct you. But if you don't do your own homework, there's no way I can help you, or how I can know where to know that you don't know it, where to start, trying to review to help you out. So I need every one of you to do that. All right, so number one says Gene. Gene bo ahage. Some people say Gene bo afage. So we have something like aha and afa. So you should know this by now. Gene bo ahage. What is your name? So you need to know it and know how to use it. Please know these words. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ afa gị? You should know this word by now. So when I'm saying it, I need you to sound it yourself and make sure you're pronouncing it well. If you don't know it, tell me. I'm going to help you know how to say it. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ afa gị? Okay. All right. So now the next one we need to know is this one say aham maọbụ afam bụ. Okay. Aham, you can say aham, or you can say afam, depending on your dialect. But we are using aham in this class. Ahambo. Okay, then you say your name. Ahambo. You say your name. All right. Afam or ahambo. My name is. Then you say your name. So you should know this by now. You should know it by now. The next one is saying Ebiara. Number 3. Nke atọ. Nke atọ means number 3. Nke atọ, number 3. Ebiara means did you come? Did you come? It's number 3. Did you come? It's a question. Okay. Ebiara. Then you can say abiara means yes, I came. Is e. Okay. Abiaram. You say abiaram. 1 second. Abiaram. 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 Yes means yes, I came. Okay. Yes, I came. Yes, I came. So remember, this is a question asking you, did you come? So I want you to know the meaning, not are you coming? Are you coming? Something that is going to happen. Are you coming? Ị ga-abịa? Ị na-abịa? That is a different thing. Abịara m. Yes, I came. Okay. Now, no. No means welcome. No means welcome. You need to know it. That's number 5, means nke ise. Now, nke isi. Nke isi means number 6. Nke isi is kedu ya. You're looking for something. I say kedu ya. Where is it? Where is it? Kedu ya. Or you can say, where is he? Where is she? Kedu ya. Ya is referring to it, or she, or it. Kedu is where. Yeah, where is it? Okay. So now that's nke isi. Nke asa, number 7. Nke asa is saying, I hope you guys are looking here. Let me maximize it. I want to make sure you're seeing everything here. Now, nke asato is number 8. Nke asato, number 8. Okay, pay attention. Number 8 is nke asato. Now, number 8 is saying, soge ma. Soge ma. When you're trying to say only you know, or you know, only you knows, only him knows, only you know. Okay, only you know means soge ma. So when you hear this, that's not so. This is so. So we're supposed to put, when you hear oh, so, you put punctuation. You punctuate so, not so. This is so. So let me go ahead and punctuate it, because I don't want you to think that we are talking about so. This is Igbo we're talking about. So now you see the dot underneath is so. So game means only you know. All right. Now, you know. You know is Emma. When you're asking me something, I say, you know. You know means Emma. You can say, you know it. Now let's just put it there to help you out. You know it. It means Emma ya. Ya. Emma ya. You know this. You know this. It means Emma ya. Sometimes you try to make your friend, okay, maybe you're trying to prank, you're trying to play too much. You say, oh, I don't know this. Tell me, what is this? And then he or she will say, you know it. It means Emaya. You is a, that I is a you. You know it. No means ma. Ma ya means you know it. All these are phrases. All these are words, everyday words. You need to know them. Make our time know these words, okay? Because at the end, there is a homework there. You need to know it. If you can add all these phrases in your vocabulary, trust me, you're picking up, you're learning. But after class, you just put it in your book bag. No, that you won't learn that way. But if you know these words and we do more, you add more. That's how you pick up. And that's how you're going to get to start speaking Igbo. And then hearing and understanding. Okay? Hearing Igbo is one thing. Understanding is another. And speaking, you have to learn to speak. Some of you say, oh yeah, I can hear, but I can't speak. Why? Because you haven't tried. You have to try to speak it. Just try, play with it. It doesn't matter if people are laughing. Sometimes that's the best way to learn language. Speak it, let them laugh. It's okay. Okay, so now, Maya means you know it. Nkiri, iri means what? 10, you know it. Nke iri means 10, number 10. Enwerem ya. Ya is, remember, we keep on repeating ya, ya, ya. Ya means it, or he or she. Ya. Enwerem means I have. Enwerem. I nwere means I is referring to you, direct talk. When I'm looking at you, I say you. You is ge, okay? Now, when I say you have it, it means I nwere ya. Always remember, when you're looking at somebody and you want to tell the person you have something, or you have this or that, you say I nwere ya. That's only when you're looking at me. If you're looking at me, just like I'm looking at you now, and I said, I nwere ya. If I say, Chukwode, I nwere ya, I'm looking at Chukwode, and I'm talking to Chukwode. But if I'm looking at Chukwode, and I'm telling Chukwode about Chibusamba, I say, Chukwode, Chibusamba nwere ya. Or I say, Enuma, Chibusamba nwere ya. I can say, ihe dị m n'uche. Ikenna nwere ya. I'm referring to another person. If I don't want to mention Ikenna's name, and I say Chukwudi, o nwere ya, that o replaces he, which is Ikenna. Because I use the pronoun instead of using the noun. Okay, the person's name. I just don't want to use that person's name. I want to replace the name with the pronoun, which is he or she or it. Okay, so then I say, o nwere ya. That is that's a third person. I'm referring to another person. I'm the first person. Ihe dị m n'uche is the second person. Ihe dị m n'uche. I'm talking to ihe dị m n'uche direct, looking at him. But then referring to another person, which is the third person. Okay, so, but when I'm looking at you, or when you are looking at somebody, you referring to this, say, you will come. I ga-abịa. You see that? You're looking at that person. But if you're talking about another person, ọ ga-abịa, he or she will come. Ọ ga-abịa. Ọ ga-abịa. He will come. Okay? All right. So number 10, which is nke iri. Enwerem means I have. Enwerem, I have. I nwere means you have. O nwere means another person. Okay? O nwere, he or she. Okay? All right. So enwerem ya, I have it. You ask me, do you have a book? Do you have a pen? If I have it, I say, enwerem means I have it. If I don't have it, then I say, enweghị m ya. Now let's say I don't have it, which is nke iri na otu, number 11. See, number 11 is saying, enweghị m ya, I don't have it. Enweghị m ya. If I want to tell Ikenna that Ralo doesn't have it, I say, onweghị ya, onweghị ya. It means Ralo doesn't have it. If I want to tell Enuma that Ralo has, I say, o nwere ya, o nwere. When you're trying to say you have something, enwerem. If I don't have it, I say, enwegem. So look at nkiri na otu, which is number 11. You see, you removed R-E, which is re. Re. You remove the R-E and replace it with G-H-I to make it negative. Negation. This is negation. We're going to do that one separate, but we are not doing it today. I just gave a reference to that, okay? I'm not going to talk about negation today, but I want you to know, first of all, when you're trying to say you don't have something, enwegim, when you say you have, enwerem, okay. Nke iri na abụọ, which is number 12. Nke iri na abụọ means 12. What is it? Kedu ihe ọ bụ? What is it? Kedu ihe ọ bụ? You can also say, gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Some people say, gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is it? So there are two ways to say that. Kedu ihe ọ bụ? Or you can say, gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is it? And now, see, bụ ihe ahụ. I need you to listen to me. Listen to the sound, because your job is to punctuate the Igbo phrases here, not the English one. But when you sound it, it should tell you whether you should punctuate the vowels. I'm not talking about the ones in the ordinary Igbo words, alphabets, but I'm talking about the 8 vowels, whether you should punctuate it or not, okay? So, kedu ihe ọ bụ? You can also say, gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is it? Nke iri na atọ means 13. Onye ka ọ bụ? Onye means who. Somebody is knocking now. Onye na-akụ. Who is knocking? Okay. Onye ka ọ bụ means who is that person? Who is she? Who is he? So you say onye ka ọ bụ. Now Chizaram or Chiziterem say, Mama, o nwere onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Means mom, there's somebody knocking on the door, or someone is knocking on the door. And then your mom will say, onye ka ọ bụ, means who is the person? That is the question. Onye ka ọ bụ. You can say amagem. Amagem means I don't know. Amagem means I don't know. If you know the person, so oh, ọ bụ nwannem or ọ bụ enyim, he is or she is my friend. If you don't know, you say amagem, kamgale, I don't know. Let me go see, or let me go look. Okay, first of all, let's do anyị na-eme nke iri na atọ. Iri na atọ means number 13. But nke iri na anọ means 14. Now you said amagem means I don't know. Okay. I is referring to yourself. Amagem. Remember, in a negation, in a negative form, is GHI. You put the GHI. That's what you put when you're trying to put your phrase, your word in a negative form. When you're trying to say that you don't know, you don't have. Amagem. I don't know. I don't know. Amagem. Okay. I don't know. I can't stress it enough. I don't know. Amagem means I don't know. I don't know. Kam gale. Kam gale. Kamu gale. Now pay attention to these two sentences. Kam gale. Kamu gale. Let me. Me means mu. Mu. Kamu gale. Kamu gale. Kamu gale. Kamu gale means let me, okay, let me go see. Okay. Kamu ga means ga le. Kamu ga le. Kamu ga le means let me go see. Okay, so let me go see. Or let me go look. Okay, so kamu ga le, let me go see or let me go look. Okay, now nke iri na isi. Nke iri na isi means number 16. Guam. Guam. Guam means tell me. Tell me. Guam. Tell him or tell her should be guaya. Nke iri na asa means gua ya means tell him. Gua ya means tell him or her. Okay, guaya. If you want to say tell them, tell them. Nke iri na asato means 18. Tell them. Guaha means tell them. Guaha means tell them. Now, if you want to say tell us, tell us. Okay, nke iri na itenane, number 19. Gwa anyị. Gwa anyị. Gwa anyị. Gwa anyị. Tell us. Tell us. Gwa anyị means tell us. Okay. That's how you say it. Tell us. Now, nke iri abụọ means it's 20. Nke iri abụọ, 20. Nke iri abụọ, number 20 is mepe ọnụ. Mepe ọnụ gị. Open your mouth. Mepe ọnụ gị. Open your mouth. Okay. Open your mouth means mepe ọnụ gị. Now, nke iri abụọ na otu, 21. Iri abụọ na otu means 21. Mepe ọnụ gị wụ nke iri abụọ, 20. Nke iri na otu means zaa ajụjụ. Zaa ajụjụ. Answer the question. Answer the question. Zaa ajụjụ. Answer the question. If you have a question, remember we always use it in the class. Enwere m ajụjụ. Enwere m ajụjụ. Let's make it nke iri abụọ na abụọ. Enwere m ajụjụ. Enwere ajụjụ. Ajụjụ. Enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question. I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ. Now, if you want, you don't have a question. Enweghị m ajụjụ. I don't have any question. Enweghị m ajụjụ. I see Chinelo raising her. Chinelo, wait. There is time for there will be a time for you to ask questions, okay? Just write it down so that you won't forget. I'll give you time to ask your question. But let's finish the lecture, okay? Enwere m ajụjụ. Enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question. Enweghị m ajụjụ. I don't have a question. All right? Nke iri abụọ na atọ, which is what? 23. Nke iri abụọ na atọ means number 23. Onye bịara. Onye bịara. Who came? Who came? Onye means who. Biara means came. Onye biara. Who came? Now, if you want to say who is coming, onye na-abịa or onye ga-abịa. Okay, this is the future and continuous, all right? So if you want to say who is coming or who will come. Now let's put that one. Onye na-abịa. Onye na-abịa. Or you can also say onye ga-abịa. Onye na-abịa is who is coming. Okay? Onye na-abịa. Who is coming is continuous, okay? Now, miss, who is coming? Now is a question. Then if you want to say, who will come? It is not the sentence as who is coming, okay? Who is coming? Maybe somebody is coming and they're like, who is that person coming? But if somebody is getting, maybe you're telling me that someone will come, then I say, who will come? All right. So it means the future tense. That is the future tense. But the in continuous is who is coming, who will come, who came, past tense. Okay. All right. Onye ga abia. You see the difference? Onye na abia, who is coming. Onye ga abia. This is something that will happen. It's not happening. It has not happened. Okay. So onye ga abia. Onye ga abia. Work on your tone, your pronunciation. And that's why I keep repeating. Onye ga abia. Practice, 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 and you will get it. If we finish this class today and all this from number 1 to you should know it. You should be able to know it if we really put your time learning them. Okay? Onye ga abia. It means who will come. Who will come. So you see, that's different. Who came? So pay attention to all this. Who came? Who is coming? Who will come? Who came? This is past tense. So let's say past. I'm going to use PT to represent past tense, okay? Who came? Past tense. Now, who is coming? Continuous tense. I'm going to use C and T, continuous tense. And who will come? Okay. Future tense. So I'm going to use F and T to represent it. Future tense. So don't forget this. So they're not the same. Who onye biara? Who came? Onye na bia? Who is coming? This is happening. Onye ga bia? Who will come? It will happen. It has not happened. Okay. Buruya. Buruya means carry it. Buruya, carry it. Okay. Buru, it's not the same as take it. Take is when you're giving. Buru is when, if that thing is heavy, something that you use 2 hands to carry. But 1 hand, I'm giving you, take this, take it. And I'm giving it to you, I say, take this. Okay, take this. But if it's something that is on top of something, and I say, Biko, please, Biko, buruya, it's just okay. Biko, buruya, you have to carry it. Okay, you have to carry it. All right. So buruya, okay. Now, when you say, Nki iri abua na sa, we just did nke iri abụọ na isii, 26. Nke iri abụọ na asaa, pụọ, gaba, or go. Pụọ, can say pụọ ebe a. Si ebe a pụọ, get out of here. Si ebe a pụọ, get out of here. Okay, so let's put that one. Si gị pụọ ma ọ gaba means go. When I say si ebe a pụọ, get out of here. Get out of here. Si ebe a pụọ. Or I can also say pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Get out of here. Okay. You can also say pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a means get out of here. All right. Only when you're joking or playing with, your friend, but don't tell that to your seniors, your parents, your older person. Don't say get out of here. It's a command. It's being rude. Don't say that. Only when you're joking with your friends, and you can say get out of here. You can joke, but don't just use that, because sometimes it's very rude to tell somebody or siebapo. When you're joking, you can say that. All right. Get out of here. Get out of here. I know some of you, when you get mad to your siblings or your friend, get out of here, start screaming. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't scream at your parents. Don't scream at your seniors, your elders, or your friends. Don't do that. All right. Now, nọrọ anị. Nọrọ anị maọbụ nọrọ ọdụ means sit down. Sit down. Nọrọ anị ma nọrọ ọdụ. Nke iri abụọ na itenaanị. You see me moving my mouth. Nke iri abụọ na itenaanị. You can also say iri abụọ na itoolu maọbụ iri abụọ na itegete means number 29. Nọrọ ọdụ. Nọrọ anị. Do not forget your job is to go over all this and punctuate the Igbo words. All the Igbo phrases, you need to punctuate them. Okay? Nọrọ anị maọbụ nọrọ ọdụ. When I say ma ọbụ, it means or. You should know that. I use it every day. I sing it every day. You should know it. Nọrọ ọdụ ma ọbụ nọrọ anị. Some people say nọrọ ala. Yes. Some people say anị. Doesn't matter. Nọrọ anị. Okay. Nọrọ ala. Sit down. Now, nke iri atọ. Iri atọ means 30. Nke iri atọ said here. Stand up, which is kwụrụ ọtọ. Listen to the sound again. Kwụrụ. You should know your vowels. You should know your vowels. Your vowels should tell you which word, which letter to punctuate. You should know your vowels, okay? Your vowels will help you to know the alphabet to punctuate. If you can get it from the sound, you should know, okay? Go over your vowels. At the end of the class, I'll go over it again. Kwụrụ ọtọ nke iri atọ, which is number 30. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Na nke iri atọ na otu. Iri atọ na otu is 31. Wulie elu. Jump up. Wulie elu. Jump up. Wulie elu. Jump up. Okay. Nke iri atọ na abụọ. Number 32. Iri atọ na abụọ. Number 32 say, gaa zaa ala ụlọ. Sometimes your parent might not say gaa zaa ala ụlọ. You might say gaa zaa ụlọ. Gaa zaa ụlọ means go sweep the floor. Go sweep the house. Gaa zaa ụlọ. Go sweep the house. Okay? But when they say gaa zaa ala ụlọ, go sweep the floor. So, aga m etinye ha abụọ. Let me put two of them. Nke iri atọ na abụọ say gaa zaa ụlọ. means go sweep the house. That doesn't mean you should go and, you know, when they say Gaza Olo means just go sweep the house. You know what that means. Okay, go sweep. Now, when somebody says Gaza ala, Olo means the floor. Ala, which means the floor. Olo. Ala Olo, the floor of the house. That's what it is. Gaza Olo, go sweep the house, whether you're dusting or sweeping the floor. Gaza ala Olo. Then your parent can say, or your sibling can say, Gaza ala Olo useku. You know useku is kitchen. And when they say Gaza ala Olo useku, the floor of the kitchen or the kitchen floor. So you should know that. Nke iri atọ na anọ. Iri atọ na anọ means number 34. Kutere mmiri, get me water. Now, I put that is supposed to be kutere mu, M-U, mu means me, not kuterem. Is, remember, the M is mine. Don't say kuterem. Kuteremu, get me water. It's supposed to be M-U, not ordinary M, like my mom, my hand, my cup. That's M. Come, that M. But when you put it in English, pay attention to what you're saying. Kuteremu, because if you put media, which is M is mine, but MU, which is mu, is me. So you look at the sentence here, get me. So what should be here? Should be mu, MU, not me, not M, which is me. Okay? Kuteremu miri, kuteremu miri, get me water, get me water. Kuteremu miri. Cheta, ga kuteremu miri. Miss Cheta, go get me water. All right. Now, nke iri atọ na ise, which is number 35. Iri atọ na ise, say, ị ga-aṅụ mmiri. Now, pay attention to nke iri atọ na ise, which is 35. Ị ga-aṅụ, aṅụ. Now, let me help you to punctuate the ni, ngu. So when you sound any of them down there, it's your job to punctuate it. But when you say ngu, this is, you should punctuate the N. Ngu, ngu, ega ngu. Now, you either put hyphen or dot on top of N, hyphen or dot on top of N. You see that? Okay, number 35. Iri atọ na ise. Ega aṅụ mmiri, aṅụ. Ega aṅụ mmiri. Okay, do you want to drink water? Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? Ị chọrọ mmiri? Iri atọ na isii. 36. 36. Ị chọrọ mmiri? Ị chọrọ mmiri? 36. Do you want water? Ị chọrọ means do you chọrọ. Want, chọrọ. Achọrọ means I want. Achọrọ means I want. Okay. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Now let's put that one. I want to drink water. Now, achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Achọrọ m ịṅụ. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Achọrọ m ịṅụ, okay. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Mmiri, see how to pronounce it, not miri, not miri. If you say miri, then it's going to have only one M. But the correct way is mmiri. That's why you have double M. Mmiri. Achorom engo mmiri. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Achorom engo mmiri. Okay, I want to drink water. Now, achorom engo mmiri. This is how you say it. I want to drink water. All right. Now, nke iri atọ na itenane means number 39. 39 is mechie ọnụ gị. No. Nke iri atọ na asatọ 38. Mepe aka gị. Let's say you're holding your fist like this. Mepe aka gị means open your hand. Mepe, you're holding your fist. Say mepe, mechie, mepe, mechie, close, open, close. Mechie means to close. Mepe is to open. Mechie, close. Mepe, open. All right. Mepe aka gị. Open your hand. Mechie ọnụ gị. Close your mouth. Mepe ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Okay, you know it. Just practice the words, okay? The sentence, the way to say it. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mepe ọnụ gị. Gbanyụọ ọkụ means put the light off. Gbanye ọkụ, put the light on. Gbanyụọ, gbanye. Gbanyụọ is to put it off. Gbanye is to put it on. Gbanyụọ, put it off. Gbanye, put it on. Okay, moving on. Nke iri anọ, which is 40. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị. Na ịnyụ. You should know whether you should punctuate the N or not. I want to urinate. You want to go pee. But the correct grammar is I want to urinate. Please, just in a slang way. I want to urinate. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị. Okay? If you want to say, I want to go urinate. Achọrọ m ịga. Achọrọ m ịga nyụọ mamịrị. Okay? Achọrọ m ịga. Now, I want to go. Let's put that one here. I want to go urinate. Achọrọ m ịga nyụọ. Achọrọ m ịga nyụọ mamịrị. I want to go urinate. I want to go urinate. Okay, see the difference between two of them. I want to, okay, go versus I want to urinate. So see how to say both of them. Nke, that's 41. Nke iri anọ na otu. Now, nke iri anọ na abụọ means number 42. Ị chọrọ ịkwọ aka. Do you want to wash your hand? Ị chọrọ ịkwọ aka. Ị chọrọ ịkwọ aka gị. Do you want to wash your hands? Ị chọrọ ịkwọ aka gị. Do you want to wash your hands? Ị chọrọ. Then you can say, achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. I want to wash my hands. That's 43. Nke iri anọ na atọ. I want to wash my hands. Now, nke iri anọ na anọ, 44. Saa ọnụ. Or some people will say saa eze gị. Saa ọnụ gị maọbụ saa eze gị. Okay? Saa ọnụ gị. Or you can say saa eze gị. Both ways. They can go both ways. It doesn't matter. Saa eze gị. Go brush your mouth. or go brush your teeth. All right? So don't forget. I say go brush your mouth or go brush your teeth. All right. Nke iri anọ na isii. That's 46. Ọ na-afụ ụfụ. Ọ na-afụ ụfụ. It is painful. Ịfụ ụfụ means pain. Okay? Ịfụ ụfụ is pain. Ụfụ is pain. Ọ na-afụ ụfụ. It hurts. Ọ na-afụ ụfụ. It hurts. Or it is painful. You can say it hurts. Or it is painful. It hurts. Or it is painful. Ọ fụrụ ụfụ. It hurts. Ọ na-afụ ụfụ. Something that is painful. All right. Enwere m mwute. Enwere m mwute. I feel hot. Enwere m mwute. 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 I feel hot. I feel bad or I feel sad. See, enwere m mwute. You hurt me. I mere ihe wutere m. Somebody hurts you. I mere ihe wutere m. You hurt me. Okay. I mere ihe wutere m. You hurt me. I mere ihe wutere m. Ihe wutere m. Okay. I mere ihe wutere m means you hurt me. It's like literally you did something that hurt me. You did something that hurt me. I mere ihe wutere m. I mere ihe wutere m. I mere ihe wutere m. You did something that hurt me. Nọnyere m. Nọnyere m means stay with me. Biko nọnyere m. Let's put please there. Please stay with me. Biko. Biko nọnyere m. Please stay with me. Please stay with me. Please stay with me. Okay. Happen. Happen. Leave me. Happen. Leave me. Happen. Leave me. Okay. So happen is supposed to be MU. Pay attention. Happen. Leave me. Happen ya. Leave him or her. Okay. Say happen ya. Okay. Anyị ga-akwụsị ebe a. Happen ya. Means leave him or her. Happen ya. Happen maka. Leave me. Like happen maka said, leave me alone. Happen maka. Okay. So we say that, but when you hear aka, it's not like sometimes the person is not holding you. If you take it literally, then it's like leave your hand, get a hand off me. But it's just leave me alone. Happen aka. Leave me alone. Happen aka. Leave me alone. All right. So we're not gonna finish it today. But now, okay, I think we can finish it. Because I want to give you homework, and your homework is to punctuate. Go over the Igbo words and all this, learn all this, because I'm going to start asking you questions, okay? Learn all of them. You don't know what I'm going to ask you. I'll call your name and I ask you a question from what we did today, okay? So we're going to leave it. We stop at 50. So the 50. Your job is to learn all this, know all of them, and then punctuate the Igbo words. Hapomo aka. So let me punctuate this for you. Biko nonyerem means please stay with me. Nonyerem, I will do number 49, which is nke iri anọ na itenane. No. No. This is what it is. Okay, so let's punctuate it. No. O should be punctuated. No. Now, mo, you should be punctuated. Mo should be punctuated. So now, let me get the vowels that I would like to go over with you. We did vowels last time, Igbo vowels. I'm gonna put the Igbo vowels here because I want you to know, remember your vowels. You should know your vowels. We did it last time. I want you to know your vowels. So okay, so now the vowels, let me put it down here. So we stopped at 50. I have a lot that I want you to learn. But now I'm going to put these vowels here. Go over these vowels, okay? These are your Igbo vowels. Okay, so don't forget these vowels. Go over them because you need to know them. So look up here and see the vowels here. So I say remember, or don't forget your vowels. Don't forget for group of vowels, okay? All right, so vowel, the A group, we have A dot up and down, then and O. Let me make it big. It's very important you know it. So look at that. A group, we have this. A group, A, O. Now the E group, we have E, O, and U. Okay, so that will be it today. Now, I'm going to stop it here. And I will post the note later. And please, if you don't have phone, tell your parents or any of your siblings to help you to print it out and go over. It's better you print it out and start going over. Okay, now I'm going to open the floor for you to ask questions. If you have questions, raise your hand and I'll give you opportunity to ask questions. You say your name, Ahambo. You say your name, Enwerem Ajojo. Okay. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? If you have a question, raise your hand. Kedu onye nwelu ajụjụ? Okay, I see Chizzy. Chizzy ngwanu jụ ajụjụ. Chizzy jụsịa Chukwudi Ọnụọra ajụọ. Chizzy, okay, I'm going to unmute you, Chizzy. Ngwa, you have an opportunity to unmute yourself now. Chizzy, unmute.
So for the event, coming up at July 4th, so are we supposed to do you have to do the fashion show or the drawing contest, or are you allowed to pick?
Okay, if you want, you can do anything you want to do. You can do fashion show. You can do any contest. Yeah, you can do fashion show. You can also join in any of the contests we have. You can join the contest. No, but don't limit yourself to one thing. If you know you can do it. Okay, so yes, you can do fashion show. You can join in any of the contests. So the spelling, the number contest, the cooking contest, the drawing contest, anything you want to do, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Dalu. Chukwudi Ọnụọra, your turn. Ngwa, unmute yourself, Chukwudi.
Aha bụ Chukwudi Ọnụọra. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa, jụọ ọnụ.
My question is, do we have to punctuate all 50 of them?
Okay. Yeah, you can. Remember, you're doing only the Igbo words. Remember, it's not all the letters that you're punctuating. You're only punctuating the vowels. And you see the vowels here? So when you pronounce a word, you should know which one can I punctuate. You see that? So you're not punctuating every letter, only the vowels that you're supposed to punctuate. So it's not that much. Just go over like hapomo. Okay, now let me do number 50, which is nke iri ise. Hapomo. You say hapo. So look at the vowels. O, you had this word in a group of vowels. Say O, and then because you have a here on ha, the a also will help you know that you should punctuate the U. So you're not going to punctuate H, you're not going to punctuate P. You see? So you're not punctuating every letter. That's why you have to do all of them. Say hapo. The only one you're punctuating is O. Now, another one you're going to punctuate is mo. Look at that. Mo. So mo is the vowel O. Then you punctuate it. That's why I want you to print it out and then use the pen or pencil to punctuate it on your paper and take a picture of it and send to me, okay, on WhatsApp. Now, for example, your number 47, which is Nkiriano Nasa, you're not going to punctuate anything on number 47 because E is here and E is in a E group of vowels. You're not punctuating anything. Did you see that? So you're not punctuating every number. You're not gonna punctuate every number. Like number 45, look at that. Anam, see, asa, eze. You're not punctuating anything here. Do you see that? There's no vowel to punctuate. That's why I say yes. You have to go all of them one by one. Which one has a vowel for me to punctuate? Chukwudi, did you understand it now? Chukwudi? Chukwudi, do you understand what I said?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have another question?
Mba.
Okay, Dalo. All right. Another person with any question. Okay, so I assume that you guys know what to do. So I'm gonna send it out. And please, I need you to print it out. If you don't have any phone, tell your mom or dad or your sibling, your older sibling, the auntie said to print this out because you need to punctuate it with hand. That's all you're doing. And then you finish, take a picture and send to me, okay? All right, so I'm going to unmute everybody because I'm going to say, see you next time. Then you're going to respond back. Ngwa ka ọ dị no, ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ. All right, ka emesịa. Okay.
Bye.